Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate a random email number on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, so now as you can see, now we are in the IMEI.info page, and in here all you need to do is to type your email number. On our channel we have a video how to check it when I describe the whole page, so you can look for it right there. And now we need to simply click on check IMEI. Okay, now we have our phone. Below we have the basic information about it. Also, if you want, you can expand the info. In here we have data such as when it was released, the battery, does it have built NFC, also the chipset, and many others. But we need to scroll down again a little bit. And in here the second option from the top is the random email generator. So that's what we are looking for, so we simply click on it now, and now on this blue button, generate random email. Okay, as you can see, random emails for Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Emails have valid checksum and are assigned to this model. You can also check more info for each email by clicking on it. Okay, so below we have the brand, the model, and as you can see, we have 10 generated email numbers. So when you click on each one of them, click each one of them, in here you can copy them, but below you have also options to copy all of them. Okay, and below you can generate emails for another brands, but for now we are not interested in that option. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.